shipping stats. 8 4Kg Haul. Shipping line GDMS $170. Took 19 days to arrive. LVX NBA wallet $20. Rating 10/10 would recommend. Made out of real leather and super good quality 1:1. Yeezy slides $15. Rating 10/10 just perfect. Really comfy 1:1. Got another pair for my dad. AJ1 Low TS Phantom Black. Rating 10/10 suede is alive. Really nice quality, just like retail. Black and white Bapestas $30. Rating 9/10 really nice, especially for the price. So much detail. Got another pair for my dad. LV duffel bag $40. So much detail. Comes with all accessories. Rating 8/10 really nice and so beautiful. Fabric is like retail. Nike socks. Rating 110 quite thick material, swoosh looks good. 2X Goyard card holder $5 each. Rating 11/10 insane quality for the price. Made out of real leather, just like retail. Stussy hat $3. Rating 9/10 logo looks good. It's a must buy. Overall, it was a 10 out of 10 experience. Everyone was so nice and very helpful. I'm definitely buying again soon.